Hello, fourth graders. I'm going to do a Latin lesson with you today. This is lesson 21, and this lesson is about conjunctions. I'm sure you learned about conjunctions in grammar. They are words that connect other words and groups of words together. But before we do our new Latin conjunctions, I wanted to talk about the practical Latin phrase. This phrase, as you can see at the top of your workbook page, is e pluribus unum. E pluribus unum. And it means one out of many. This is a phrase that is written in Latin on all our money. It's written on our dollar bills, it's written on our coins. And later you'll have to go look at some money and you'll see it written there. It's very small sometimes, but you can find it. And the reason it's written there is because when our country was first founded, our founders wanted us to remember that we are a nation made out of many different people from many different places and cultures. And so that is why that is printed on our money. I thought that was very interesting about that phrase. Also, now I want to talk about our new vocabulary words. And they are conjunctions. The first three are conjunctions, and actually the last two are adverbs, but they're used the same way. So let's go over those together. And you can say them after me. The first one is sicut, which means as. The next one is et, which means and. Sed means but. Etiam means also. And non means not. Then I wanted to go over the last part of the Lord's Prayer with you. You do not have to memorize this part, but I do want you to be able to say it and to read it. So I am going to say it for you, and then you listen and repeat it after me. The English is, give us this day our daily bread. And the Latin is, panem nostrum quotidianum de nobis hodie. It's kind of fun to say. All right, say it again with me. Panem nostrum quotidianum de nobis hodie. Okay, now let's look at our workbook page. We'll just do that quickly together. I want to make sure you can see it. There. Let's go over our review questions. What kind of a word shows a relationship? I'm sure you know that one. We've gone over it so many times, okay? Prepositions show a relationship. What letter do simple verbs end in? O. And what letter do nouns in our first group end in? Those are the first nouns that we have learned. They end in the letter A. And what is the most important verb in any language? The verb to be. And what tense describes something that will happen in the future? I just gave it to you. What will happen is future tense. Okay. And then lesson 21 exercises asks us to come up with a sentence in English where we use each of these conjunctions. So let's look at the first one. Let's try the conjunction as. Maybe you can think of a sentence for that. Here's one that I came up with, and you can use this if you want to. Mary swims as she exercises. Mary swims as, that's the conjunction, she exercises. Number 2, let's look at the conjunction and. Here's a sentence that I came up with, and maybe you'll come up with one of your own. It's very short and simple. I eat cheese and crackers. I eat cheese and, is our conjunction, crackers. The next one is the conjunction but. And this is one that I thought of. You may think of your own. John is from Spain, but he speaks English. John, this is an example, is from Spain, a comma in there, but he speaks English. And you may have to squeeze that in down below, like I did. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Okay. Number 4, the conjunction also. So you may think of one. Here's one I thought of. He rides a bike. Also, he drives a car. He rides a bike. Also, he drives a car. And don't forget to underline our conjunctions here and here. And then finally, number 5, the conjunction not. The one I came up with was, she likes chocolate ice cream, not vanilla. She likes chocolate ice cream, not vanilla. So there's your lesson 21 with your new conjunction Latin words. I hope that was helpful. And now you can practice memorizing your new words, your new vocabulary. Okay, thank you. See you later.